Hello, as requested some information regarding the wing incidents I had problems with the Cyclops. I had excessive trimming in one direction, so it was very difficult to fly the plane at the maiden. When I checked it, it turned out that the wing incidence was a bit different between the left wing and the right wing. But it is also different every time you assemble the plane. So I did some checks and using 2 incident meters, and when you look over it you can see already that there is a difference between the left wing and the right wing. And it turns out that it is about 2 degrees. Something like this. And I'm not sure if it is warped wings or if I did something wrong when I glued everything together. But I found a very easy way to solve it. And that's using the rear side of the flaps as a reference. Because in fact, as it turns out, when I checked on different places, the wing is actually straight. It is just on a different angle attached to the body. And very easily you can turn the clamping block, which is about there. You can turn the whole wing when you fasten the screw. So you can see, if you look closely, that you can use their flap as a reference. So what I did is I took the left wing as being accurate. So I mounted it, assembled it, tightened the clamping block, then adjusted this flap until it is straight with this center section of the wing. Then, using the incident meters, I adjusted the wing until they were exactly equal, which turned out to be about 2 degrees, something like this. And then I tightened the clamping block on this side, and it's not going to move after that. I mean, it's not going anywhere. And after I did that, I adjusted this flap so that it is exactly at the same level as the center section. So there is no difference. And you can see, let's see if it wants to focus. You can see that, you know, when I turn the clamping block, I'd make a bit bigger rotation, but that, you know, the flap is giving a very good indication here. So it took me about 10 minutes to figure everything out, to adjust the flap. And every time when I go to the field now, I mount this one here first, get this one straight here, tighten it, and I do exactly the same here. And now I need 0 trimming. I have no issues, regardless if I fly 4 times or if I fly the first time after I assemble it in the field. There's no issue there. I checked it in different locations, so I put the incident meter here in the middle, but also here at the wing tips. And as far as I could check, the wings were straight. There was no issue with the wings itself, but it is just the way it ends up at the center section.